If you need to share a Zap in Zapier, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can create a shareable template and send it to other people with confidence. This is really useful if you want to reuse a workflow, collaborate with teammates, or let someone else install the same automation in their own account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's get into it. First, go to Zapier and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Assets section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where Zapier keeps your reusable workflow assets, including your Zap Workflows. After that, click on Zap Workflows so you can view the Zaps connected to your account. Now find the Zap you want to share and click on it to open its details. Once the Zap is open, look toward the top of the page and click the drop-down menu. From there, choose Create Template. This is the step that turns your existing Zap into a shareable template that other users can access and use. Next, Zapier will ask you for a few details. Type in the title, description, and overview for the template. Make these clear and helpful because this is what other people will see when they open the template link. A good title should explain what the automation does, and the description should briefly describe the outcome and any important setup notes. After filling that in, click Next. Zapier may take you through a couple more setup screens, so keep clicking Next until you reach the final publishing step. Once everything looks correct, click Publish Template. This makes your Zap template available for sharing. After publishing, look for the General Access dropdown and choose the access level you want to give. This is where you control who can view or use the template, so make sure the setting matches the way you want to share it. Finally, click Copy Link and share it with anyone you want. You can paste that link into an email, message, team chat, or anywhere else you need. The person who receives it will be able to open the template and use it as a starting point for their own Zapier setup. And that's it, you've now shared a Zap in Zapier by turning it into a template and generating a shareable link. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next.